Hi everyone, it's me, Mrs. Groner, and today we're going to be practicing our two newest letter sounds. The first sound that we've learned is Q. Q says qua. When you make the qua sound, your mouth goes in a circle and then it widens out. Your tongue touches the top of your mouth for a moment. Qua. The next sound we're going to practice is the K sound, or K. K says ka, ka, ka. When I make this sound, my mouth stays open the whole time. You see my teeth. My tongue touches the top of my mouth for a moment. Ka, ka, ka. Ka, ka, ka. Let's practice. Qua, ka. Qua, qua, qua. Ka, ka, ka. Qua, qua, qua. Ka, ka, ka. Qua, ka. Qua, ka. Qua, ka, ka. Ka. Qua, ka. Qua. Ka, qua, ka, qua, ka, qua, qua. Ka, qua, ka, ka, qua, qua. Qua, qua, ka, ka, ka. Wow, that was hard for my tongue. Those sounds are very similar. Qua, ka, qua, 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 ka, 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 qua, ka, qua. Great job. Thanks for practicing with me today. I hope to see you soon.